Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Sarah Star. I'm over here at Michael's, you guys. What do we have here? Look at this. Okay, so these are now 4 for $9.99 for these candles, and I would be remiss if I did not do a video on this. This is amazing. So 4 for $9.99 or $2.49 a piece. These are amazing. These are regularly $5.99. There are so many here. There's actually a couple other things I'm going to highlight in this video as well. There are some amazing deals happening today. So yeah, I want to go ahead and show you what they have here at the store. So let me go ahead and start over on this area because I'm interested in this peppermint bark. You guys check this out. Peppermint bark. It is, let's go ahead and give it a whirl. But yeah, $2.49 for these candles. Beautiful color jar there too. Let me go ahead and try this one out. Oh my gosh, you guys, it's good. It kind of reminds me of the Bath and Body Works Twisted Peppermint. Very good, very good. Okay, next one is cinnamon apples. Okay, let me go ahead and see this one for you. Cinnamon apples. So these are 16.4 fluid ounces. Oh, these are good, you guys. This one is cinnamon stick. Let's see this one here. I like this color jar too. It's almost like a plum. Really, really pretty. Look at how pretty that one is, that color. This is really good too. These are all so good. Look how pretty the color is. It's like almost like a purplish burgundy, like I don't know, like a purple color. I don't know really how to describe this one. Beautiful. It's really a nice candle, you guys. More peppermint bark down there. Then there is also over here frosted sugar cookie. Oh my goodness. So frosted sugar cookie. There's Christmas berry, holly joy berry. There's two different kind of like berry ones. There's also aspen pine. Look at this, you guys. There's like so many choices. Okay, now down here is, let's see if I can reach that here. This one is gingerbread house. Oh, how cute is that? So, gingerbread house. Now let's see what else we have here. Over on this side, they have a bunch of deals going on right now, you guys, like in the store here. So here's some more for $9.99 or $2.49 each. Frosted sugar cookie again, midnight forest. There's also mistletoe and holly. Mistletoe and holly. Wow, that looks like a good one too. And then emerald cedar. Emerald cedar. And so, yeah, I wanted to show you guys this because this is amazing. Citrus and spice, orange and ginger, and more gingerbread house down there. Yeah, these are so cute, you guys. These are a really good deal. Okay, let's head on over here. They even have the 3-wick by Ashland for $7.99. These gorgeous bottles are jars here, originally $19.99 down to $7.99. Let's see if I can open one. I'll show you the wicks. It is a 3-wick. And yeah, let me go ahead and this is peppermint kisses. How cute. Oh, this is good too. Peppermint kisses, frosted eucalyptus, bourbon sugar and spice. Look how pretty this packaging is with like the glitter. Oh my gosh, vanilla coconut cream. Do you guys see it's like glittered? Wow, that's what the top looks like. Beautiful. Okay. Even the ones down here. So peppermint kisses is actually glittered too. You see it's gold glitter in there. Beautiful. Okay, over here's some more. I'm going to show you guys this. So this is Christmas berry and Noel, or Christmas berry, sorry. So if I go over here to the price checker, here we go. Look at this, you guys. $2.49. That is such a good deal. Okay, that's like the lowest price of the season. So anyways, Jolly Berry again, frosted sugar cookie. And yeah, and then cranberry spiced cider up here. Christmas berry. Okay, so there's like midnight forest. Yeah, so many. Okay, that was really exciting. I'm so glad to have found that sale. Over here, you guys, I'm getting this sign. This is so cute. It's a lovely weather for us laid right together with you. You guys, this was originally $9.99. That is so adorable. So $3.99 originally. They have all these cute signs, only $3.99, my friends. Amazing. Meet me under the mistletoe. Okay, so let's head on over here. There's a lot of sales going on. Let's see, let me show you some more. But here they have gift wrap, buy one, get one free for the bags. So, in the boxes, for example, this set of bags here, you get, looks like three, I think three in there. So, 6 bags for $5. And then they have tissue, paper. Let's see, cute bags this year. Okay, more gift bags over here. $4.99 for a 2-piece. Is this a 2-piece? So this is a 2-piece set. So look at how beautiful the plaid is. Oh my gosh, that's beautiful. So $5. So let's see, $5 you'd get 4 bags. If I'm doing my math right. Yeah. Okay, let's head on over here. I want to show you down here. The ornaments are now 60% off, which is a really good value, you guys. 60% off. These candy cane ones are super cute. I love these. These are originally $6.99. So look at this one with the frosty in there. This was originally $14.99. I love that. The little top hat. Really cute ornaments. Wow. Let's see. Look at the power tool for $12.99. That's so cute. The measuring tape, $9.99 originally. Yeah, there's some really fabulous ones. Oh my gosh, look at this beautiful Victorian looking one. Oh my goodness. Look at this. Looks like a chandelier. This one's originally, um, how much are you? $9.99. So it'd be like around $4. And even ribbon, you guys, is 70% off. So the ribbon is 70% off. Like, seriously, that is so good. So like this huge spool of ribbon, originally $24.99, is 70% off. Look how pretty that is with the glitter. Yeah, that's really fun. And like these go on for days and days, like all these ribbons all over here. Yeah. And then these over here, $16.99 originally. 60% off all over here as well. All Christmas floral is 50% off. So it looks like they have some like special buys, like those signs that were $3.99, 60% off on this wall here. Yeah, this is pretty good deals happening. $2.99 for the baking tins. Mrs. Claus Baking Company. Aw, that's so cute. The little houndstooth side. They have 6-pack of LED tea lights for $3.99. And more Christmas signs and all the goodies here. I love this red door, you guys. Look at this red door. That is so precious. $24.99. Oh, I love that. I really love that. That'd be cute, like against like the floor, like a wall. Like it looks like a Santa lives, like, you know what I mean, like a fairy. How they have like fairy doors. This could be like Santa's door, like the tooth fairy door or whatever. Like this could be Santa's door to the North Pole or something. Like that is so cute. Look at the Santa's belt on the door. I love that. I might just have to get that because I think that's adorable. More Santas. Elf on the Shelf is buy one, get one half off, which is a really good deal. I bought some Elf on the Shelf stuff the other day and I paid full price. So this is a better deal. Buy one, get one half off. So yeah, really good deal on those. And these are $7.99, originally $19.99 for these beautiful like wire brush trees. This is right here. This little set is $7.99. $4.99 for these Christmas bouquets, originally $9.99. Look how pretty those are. Beautiful. And then lots of crafts here at 50% off. So lots of fun little craft sets. 60% off on this side. I love this door hanger with the ribbon, $9.99. And yeah, it just goes on and on, you guys. There's just literally so many crafts, and 50% off these signs. And yeah, 50% off all over here. They have 50% off baking items. Oh my gosh, look at how cute this is, you guys. $5.99 for 12 sets of treat bags with gingerbread mint in there with the clips. Oh, that is so cute. It could be like $3. That is precious. Oh my gosh. I love that. This is so pretty. Look at the LED remote candles for $39.99 originally with the stars. Ah, those are so pretty. And these two have glitter. Oh, here we go. Let's try it. Let's just try me. Oh, it like flickers like a real candle. That is gorgeous. I want to show you this gorgeous gift wrap they have over here. Buy one, get one free. It is so pretty. They have so many cool, like, different patterns. Let me show you this one right here. This pink one, I love this paper. There's like little Christmas scenes going on there, little like vintage houses, Victorian houses, ice skating, hauling a Christmas tree. These are so fabulous. This is, I'm getting this, 50 square feet, originally $5.99. So it'd be $6 for 2 rolls. And so let me show you the other ones they have too. They have some gorgeous wrapping. Let me show you this one here. Look at this, Santa. I love it. Gorgeous with the red door. Mrs. Claus. Beautiful. And this again, 50 square feet. What else do we have here? There's like the tartan plaid. Gorgeous. Oops. We have the little Christmas deers. What's this one? This is cute. It looks like a little sweater, $5.99. Oh yeah, I'm gonna get some rolls of wrapping. You guys, look at the little Santa and the little elephant on skis. These are so much fun. I love wrapping paper, like different wrapping papers, like getting all different patterns. I mix it up all the time every year. You guys look at this one with like the Victorian ornaments.
I tried to jump the line.
And then look at the gingham, you guys. That is so cute. And then I see a hot pink one. What is this one? Oh, that is so cute. Very, very cute with all the sweets on it. All right, friends, so that does it for this walkthrough here today. Thank you guys so much for watching. What a great deal on those jar candles for $2.49 and all the stuff that's like 60% off here, 50% off. Buy one, get one free. Like, really good deals happening here. So again, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you very soon. Okay, friends? Till next time, take care and God bless you always. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.